If you want to know how to fix a battery, this video is for you. So this is a how to fix in a battery into your cars, and I mean the toy cars. This video was made with the young ones in mind, or for other people, other sets of people, other ages who want to know how to easily fix up a battery. So here we have a pack of batteries, and we have to get it out. We have to get out the batteries. By getting it out, you know where you can buy this as well. You can get it from your store, the local stores in your area, or the bigger supermarkets far away. Batteries are literally everywhere. Here we have the remote control of this car, let's say the toy cars here, and it's locked in with a screw, and with the help of a screwdriver you get it out just by twisting it, and you get it out. We open up the remote control. Now look, if you see, you can see a clear distinction between the negatives and the positive. The negative is minus sign, the positive is the plus sign, and the negative side has the spring, while the positive side is just plain and it just has a metal at the end. So also is the battery. Is in this particular battery is indicated. In some batteries they don't even indicate the negatives and the positive. So the negative side, which is the flat end, goes to the spring area of the box, and also you cover it up. You do the same thing for the other side of the battery panels. If your gadget has provisions for up to 4 batteries, 6 batteries, you do the same thing. The negative side, which is the flat side of the battery, goes to the spring. Now we have the car here. We open it up from the pack. Here it's being protected by this screw and something like a roller. I don't know what this is. I don't know what to call this at this moment. So we use the screwdriver. With the help of the screwdriver, you unscrew it. The screwdriver, how to use it, you just keep twisting it and twisting it. When you place it into the head of the nail, you twist it, keep twisting it, and the screwdriver falls off. So that is how you make use of a screwdriver. And then you open it up. So this is the car now. You can see the car clearly. For the battery area, they also protected it with some nails or some nuts. With the help of the screwdriver again, you unscrew it by twisting and turning. It's so easy. Now look at this. You can see this has 3 positions or 3 provisions for batteries. The flat end goes into the spring here. The flat end, which is the negative, goes to the spring. Just bear this in mind. The flat end goes to the spring, and that's it. While the part of the battery that has the head goes to the positive side. And then you cover back your battery area and turn on your car. And when you turn on your car, you're almost good to go. You're good to go, and you can use it properly, or use it and enjoy it till the battery runs out. Now if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like this video, and also subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one.